The birds are so excited to see me this morning outside. You hear them chippering? They're all over. Okay, so I have 1 bucket of soil that I dug up last night, and then I have 1 bucket of peat moss. I'm going to show you how the peat moss look like in a bag. There's nothing in here. So we're going to pour it in here. I still have some grass in it. And then you want to make sure you break it up. So this is how all over my yard my soil have been almost like clay, hard clay, and this is what I've been working with for years. We have our bucket of peat moss, and we're just gonna put it in there. Put it. Different additives that I add to my potting mix. This is the peat moss. That's how it looks like. I usually get the huge bag and I use it all growing season. I have a very large garden, so you don't need that big bag. And this is the lobster meal. I've talked to you guys before about it as well. And this is the cow manure. I've also talked to you about it, and these are not expensive at all. So if you buy a bag of each of these, like $5, $3.99, some of them like $10, $15. So you buy like a bag each, and I'm telling you, it will carry you the entire growing season by making your own potting mix. Like, you would save a ton of money. So what I'm using, I am going to use almost a whole bucket of lobster meal. If you have never tried lobster compost or lobster meal or whatever before, you might want to try it. I'm telling you, you will see a huge difference in the way your plants are going to grow. It is very good for the plants. So I'm going to use the rest of the other compost. I'm going to put the list in the comment section. So if you have never watched any of my videos before, you can go ahead and get it. So the rest of it, I'm just going to use half bucket each, and this is my own compost, like grass clippings and tree barks and stuff that I'm mixing with it also. So pretty much at this point, it's all about mixing everything up with my own dirt that I got. Now let's go to the fertilizer. You definitely need perlite. Perlite is going to help improve the drainage of your potting mix. And this is the cocktail that I love to use with my vegetables because they have kelp in it. It have different things from the sea. If you have never tried any fertilizers before from the sea, you might want to look into it because you will see a huge difference in your garden. So these are the different fertilizers they have. This is at Home Depot. Blood meal is also really good. It's high in nitrogen, good for tomatoes, peppers, and also beans. So these are the different types of fertilizers they have. If you know, starting off, you can definitely get one of these, so you just don't be so overwhelmed. Get one of these are really good. I also have used them in the past when I first started my garden, and then as I got more and more into gardening, then I started using different mix. So you can definitely start with these, and it's a lot cheaper too. But I just wanted you to see the different options that are out there that you can look at. So anyway, get you a fertilizer, and let's get back to making our potting mix. So you want to put a perlite in there, and you're going to see the rest of the video, and I'm just going to let you enjoy the sound of the birds. guys, we finished just in time. Go ahead, make your own potting mix, save you a lot of money. And yes, I do have a lot of different things that I added to my potting mix, but it is well worth it because it's going to feed your plants right, and you're going to be happy. And you'll be saving a lot of money anyway. So look at this. I did the comparison and you've seen it. This is nice, this is airy, this is fluffy. It can go in pots. I mean, you can just do so much with this, and I'm telling you, your plants will grow so well. Potatoes, tomatoes, okra, corn, greens, different types of greens. Go ahead and make yours and save a lot of money. I'll see you on the next video, and I will show you how I reuse all of my potting mix in the back every year, and I don't have to buy a lot of potting mix. So anyway, save you some dollars and make it yours. Have a good day. Let me get this thing, put these things away because it's about to snow. And I will also show you how I layers my pots so I don't use so much potting mix. Yeah, to save more money, and I'm able to still grow a lot of vegetables, including potatoes, in those things. So stay tuned for that video. I am editing it, and I will be posting that soon. So this is all I use for my plants, and I am able to grow a lot of food. Yes, you still have to feed your vegetables during the growing season with some liquid fertilizer, some other fertilizers. But as you can see, they have been thriving on my little mixtures I have been making. But anyway, have a good day. Be safe. Get you some stuff together. Let's grow some food. If I can do it, you can do it also. Have a good day.